How does somebody become skinny fat? Now, I used to be skinny fat when I first started my fitness journey. I was really skinny, and then I got skinny fat. So I'm gonna tell you why that happens and how you can fix that. So the reason why you become skinny fat is because you're doing a ton of exercise and your nutrition is not supporting you enough for the amount of exercise that you're doing. So for example, I used to play a lot of hockey growing up, and I was not eating well. I didn't have enough protein. I wasn't eating enough food to begin with. So what happened was, instead of burning the fat off my body, what happened was I started to burn the muscle off my body. So my stomach, stayed big, but then my legs started to get skinny and my arms started to get skinnier and skinnier. And the reason this is because your body's main priority is to stay alive. It's not to build muscle. So, when you're giving your body not enough food, not enough protein to support muscle, your body's not gonna keep that muscle. It's gonna burn it off for energy because it's a lot easier to do that. And your body doesn't need muscle, it needs fat to survive. So that's the first thing your body's gonna do. It's not gonna drop the body fat, it's gonna drop the muscle. So then, you're left with a big stomach, a fatter stomach, and skinnier and skinnier and skinnier legs and arms. And how to fix this is you need to start working with your metabolism, and you need to start prioritizing resistance training, prioritizing building muscle. And some people think, oh, if I do that, I'm gonna start, if I start eating more, I'm gonna gain so much body fat. But guys, you're depriving of the nutrients that you need in order to build the muscle. So you're not eating enough protein. So that's not gonna happen. What's gonna happen when you start, fueling your body with enough food? Your body's not gonna go to that halt anymore. You're not gonna, get the opposite effect of what you want. You're gonna start to burn the fat and start gaining muscle. Because when you resistance train, when you lift weights, you're doing both. You're doing cardio, but you're also breaking down the muscle tissue so that it gets stronger and it grows. And you're gonna notice once you build muscle, you're not gonna look as big in your stomach because everything else is also getting bigger, but in a good way. So you're not gonna have such skinny stick legs. And you're gonna burn some body fat as you do that. So you're working with your metabolism, and that's the reason why you're not burning any fat, because your metabolism is so slow that from all the cardio that you've been doing and not enough nutrition, that you're just not gonna burn the body fat off. So that's my tip for you guys. Instead of doing a ton of cardio, start lifting weights, start prioritizing muscle gain, start eating more food, and you're gonna notice that you don't have to be so scared of eating the food and gaining body fat. It's not gonna happen because your body is so deprived of it right now. So that's my tip, guys. Resistance training, start eating more protein, and you're gonna start seeing your body change the way you want it to look, and you won't be as skinny fat.